Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Aliexpress haul for you. So this is a mixed haul. This is stuff that I've picked up from different stores. So I'm just going to get started. I picked up one pack of caviar beads. I have no idea why I only picked up one pack. I can't remember why, but they are pink fuchsia. There's a few rogue ones in there, but they do have lots of different colours. So I'm going to go back and get some more, but I just wanted some different coloured ones, and yeah, I picked up these ones. I also picked up these are sticker things that you put on the nail and they make it shaped. You kind of peel it off, stick it on, and it kind of like does like a different trying to explain it. So you'd put it on and then you'd top coat over the top of it, and it would give you like that look, like the 3D kind of look like this. So I picked up them just because I have an idea in mind for them. Give me 1 second. And I also picked up some fur for my backgrounds. This is really good quality. So it's really big. It's heart shaped, but it's really nice, and the quality of it is really good. The stitching is amazing on it, really good, and it's really nice and soft. They've got so many different colors because I do have some other fur, but it's not like this. This is just really nice, and it's really big. I can't even fit it in the camera, but I just thought, you know, just to add something different to my background. So I only got 2, but I am going to go back and pick up the other colours. So I picked up this one, and oh, this one, I fell in love with this. Oh, look, oh, this is so soft and fluffy. It reminds me of my cat Nelly. She's nice and fluffy like this. So I picked up this. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's a really nice deep purple. It's showing a bit brighter on the camera, but yeah, it's a really nice purple. I'll see if I can get pictures of these to put at the end so you can see them, but they're really big. I mean, this is it in half and I can't even fit it in, but I think it'd be really nice with the pictures. So I picked up them. Really good quality. They were about £3 each, which is not bad at all. Right, let me get the next thing out. So some more swatch sticks. So I got the clear and the natural ones, and they come with the ring. I believe, I'm pretty sure there's 50 in each bag, and they're the thicker ones, so I like them ones. They're just nice for doing like swatches on or stuff. And I also picked up this. These are some foils. So these are like tortoiseshell foils. So this is what they look like. The camera will focus properly. So as you can see, you would do your colour underneath. You get a good amount. That's getting away from me. So you get 2 of that one. Well, you get 2 of each. So 2 of that one, 2 of this one, which is really nice. And that looks the same as the other one. Oh no, it's slightly different. I'll show you the 2. They do look the same though, don't they? They do look the same. Are they the same? I think they're the same. I don't know, but anyway. Or is this more red? I don't know, but I just thought they were pretty inexpensive, and if you haven't got time to do the tortoiseshell look, just whack some foil on. I would. So yep, I picked up them, and I also picked up some more of the triangle glitter trays. So you got 10, you could buy 5 or 10, but it was cheaper to buy the 10. So I got 10 white, 10 black, 10 blue, and 10 pink. So this might last me a week. It might do. I really needed some more, and I wanted some different coloured ones, you know, depending on what I'm using or whatever. So yeah, that would keep me going for a week. And then from another store I picked up these because when I showed my mum, she fell in love with them. So these are the hearts, so they are quite thick. I'll have to try them out. So that's the heart ones. Really pretty. I really wanted some, and I picked up the stars as well. Really holographic, really pretty. So I picked up them too. And then from from another store I picked up some clear clear rhinestones. I just wanted some clear ones. So this is size SS3. Yeah, I just wanted some clear ones. Just because sometimes I don't want colour, I don't want to add more colour, but I want to add something different to it. So yeah, I picked up them. And then from the same store I also picked up these. So these are really reflective. My lighting's not very good, is it? Let's turn it up a bit. There you go. So they had different colours of these as well, but I just picked up these ones. And my camera's freaking out. So they're just odd shapes, and I've got a rogue bow in there. And can't turn it over. Right. So yeah, I picked up them because I just thought they were unique and a little bit different. And then from another store, they sent me a free gift. So they sent me a bit of foil to add to my massive foil collection. And they also send you a receipt, which I think is really cool. They kind of tick off what it is. I like that. I like that idea. Let me just get these out. Okay, so these are backgrounds, and they're actually really nice and thick. They're kind of craft card, so they're nice and thick. So let me bring you up a bit. So that's the first design, then this is the second one, and I like that they're matte, they're not shiny, so you won't get the reflection of the light, which is what I like, because sometimes that is really annoying. And then this one, which is different to that one, and then this one. I thought if I show you like this, then you'll be able to get an idea how big they are and colour. And then this one, it makes me want to scratch this off. But that one as well, and this one, this one, this one. So I got two different packs. So that's the first pack, this is the second pack. So you get this one, this one, lots of marble designs. This one, I do like that they are matte though, makes it so much easier. This one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. So yep, they're good size. I like that. So that is them. And then from another store I picked up some more. So I picked up a 3-pack. So there's this one, you've got your black and your grey. Whoa, your black and your grey, and then you've got your darker grey and white. And also from that store I picked up another brush, because we all know what I'm like with my brushes. So I like the way it came in this packet. Let's just open it so I don't slice my fingers. Yeah. I like that it's got a lid as well. So this is brush 11, and it is a angle tipped one. if the camera will focus on it. Let's see in a bit. Which it's not. There you go. So it's fairly thin. I like that. I like that it's got a lid as well. So yeah, I picked up that brush. From another store I picked up this. Now they do have different colours. I just wanted to order one just to see what it is like. I do have lots of palettes like this. I just like the way the crown was on the top. I wish the crystals were a little bit more sparkly, but I suppose I could, like, I don't know, maybe add some, take them out and add some other ones if I can get them out, or I don't know, do something. But yeah, I thought that was super cute. So yeah, they do have different coloured ones. This is a different colour. I can't remember if the middle's a different colour, but yeah, it's just, I mean, you could have it on that side as well if you wanted to, I suppose. But I just thought it was rather cute, and yeah. So and then from another store, this is a mixed bag of 100 pieces of these different things. So, well, as I just got the backgrounds, I may as well show you like this. So you get, let me just zoom you in a bit. Let's see. So you get a really good variety, and I really like how shifty they are. The camera is playing up. So yeah, I'm assuming it's completely random like what you would get, but I just thought they were really pretty. I like the colour shift on them. So you could either get 50 or 100 pieces, and I just thought, well, there was a sale on, I'll just get 100 pieces. And I mean, they're all right. They are flat back. That's obviously far too big for mine now. But I just thought they were really nice. I thought they were really pretty. So yeah, I got them. And I also picked up this mixed bag of gold one. They've got lots of different like mixed ones, and I think it is pretty random what you get. So I'm going to try and sort of like show you the best I can by sort of focusing on different parts. It's going to be difficult, I think. But yeah, it's really random. There's a Peppa Pig, and she's got diamond eyes. Look at this. It is the smallest mitten I have ever seen in my life. Like, how tiny is that? Camera won't even focus on it, it's so small. So yeah, I mean, it is really random what you get, but I do like it. I like the mix that you get. I mean, there's a yacht here. There's all sorts of different stuff in here. I like these all-seeing eyes as well. There's a red one and a black one. Some of them you do get 2 of, some of them you get 1 of, some you get like 3 of. It's completely random. I know some people don't like them, like these mixes like this, but me, it doesn't bother me because yeah, I'm happy with that. Got these little dangly ones with a little dangly moon. Really pretty. Got random fork, random shoe. That's what you normally find after a night out. People's random shoes along the roads. And we do here anyway. I don't know about anywhere else. There's a teddy bear up here. Oh, all sorts of different stuff. I will post pictures of this one and the other one at the end, just so you can pause it if you want to have a really good look. So yeah, I got that mix as well, and you can either buy again 50 or 100. So I just thought I'll just get 100 pieces. So yeah, only a couple of quid. Really good deal. And from the same store, my favourite thing, when I saw them, I was like, oh, I must have them. So I picked up some more stands. Now these are gorgeous. Look at the reflectiveness on that baby. Wow. So they had several different colours, so I just picked up 3 of my favourite ones. And you get 5 of these as well, and they are iridescent as well, as you can see. So, oh, so there's the 5 stands, the tip stand things. So I picked up this as like a peachy colour, so I picked up that one, and I also picked up a white one, as you can see. Absolutely stunning, and they are the stands, so they are iridescent as well. And then I also picked up this one, which I'm sure is meant to be a different colour. I'm sure it's meant to be more purple, but anyway, it's still gorgeous. So that is what that one looks like. So that's the colour of it, and that is how reflective it is. How beautiful are they? They are stunning. I mean, and you can use them in your pictures. Oh, they're just so pretty. Really, really pretty. I love them. I think they are gorgeous, and I like that the the tip stands are iridescent as well. I really like that. So yeah, that is the end of this haul today. I was on here longer than what I thought I would be, but yeah, let me know your thoughts down below on what I've picked up today. I will have some more haul videos because I'm still waiting for stuff to come in, as always. But yeah, just let me know your thoughts down below. Do you have a favourite item? I will try and put all the links in, but if I don't manage to get them all in and you do want something, let me know and I will add it. And yeah, just let me know your thoughts down below. Do you like the stuff, don't you? Yeah, just let me know, and let me know about these stands because I think they are super cute. Pretty. Well, thank you everybody so much for watching today. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and hopefully I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.